They should try to make sure that this kind of thing doesn't happen by them investing in their own land. What can you say to this?
See, let me tell you, the destruction of Igbo properties, especially those ones whose properties are at Ibejuleki, marked demolition, is a welcome development. Ask me why. The Igbo's should be thinking now home going down southeast to do what? To invest in their lands. And listen to me, building house at Lekki, Ibejuleki, is Ibejuleki Igbo land? Is southwest Igbo land? The money, the properties you erect here, you pay land use to Lagos State government. While the southeastern government, there are what? Languishing in lack of what? Fund, taxations. Who is paying taxes in the southeast? Nobody. How many of us that have investment in the southeast? How many are paying land use? You are paying billions, trillions of naira land use to Lagos State government. Still, the Lagos State government don't appreciate you. The public office holders here are your enemies. You are still investing it here. So let me tell you, if I could advise Igbo man, if Sanwo-Olu demolishes building, take it in good faith. What it signifies is what? A significant homegoing of the Igbo's. That is the beginning of Igbo man, what? Realization of himself. Why are you building estates in Ibejuleki, estates in Adodo, Ablodo, estates at Ajawo? Ajawo there, at the end of the day, they will just mark it demolition, and there's nothing you could do about it. Do you know how many modern duplexes that were marked demolition at the axis of Ablodo and the Ajawo estate area of Airport Road? They were all owned by the Igbo's. And you are telling me, what do you want me to say? To go and fight Sanwo-Olu? He is doing his normal business because he's embittered over what Igbo's did during the gubernatorial election of last year. He was defeated by Dabo, Favor, Rhodes. Sanwo-Olu was beaten up by that young man because Sanwo-Olu is not doing anything here other than embezzling money and keep for his political godfather. That's why he's not happy with Igbo's. We are the one that came out en masse and voted for Rhodes. So the destruction of Igbo land, Igbo man's landed property or erected structures is the beginning of Igbo man's realization of the accurate importance of investing, doing investment in the southeastern Nigeria. If you ask me, I will tell the Igbo's, the properties owners in Lagos State, not to go to court. If you go to court, woe betide you. You are going to lose. Which court are you going to? Is it Southwest Court? Are you taking them to Abuja? Which court do you want to go and contend with Lagos State government? You can't contest it anywhere. This is Southwest. This is their what? Legal system, their justice, their way of life, their government, their culture and their tradition. They hate you as an Igbo man. You ain't do nothing. You will never get anything like justice if you contest it in the court of law. One, they are accusing you that you did not go through the normal processes before securing parcels of land here. Most of the points they are coming up with is that you did not get your certificate of occupancy. And by the way, I want to tell you something that is so phenomenal in the Southwest here. Anytime government has map out a place for demolition in the next 10 years, maybe they want to build ShopRite, motor parks, estate there, the Yoruba man will be touting for prospective buyers. And who are these prospective buyers? The prospects are mostly the Igbo's, because they are unsuspicious of what will be of that particular portion of land in the next 10 years. The Yoruba man that has the wind up, that known that this place in the next 10 years they will demolish it. They will lure the Igbo's and collect their money and sell the properties. So that's why I'm trying to advise the Igbo's, don't buy again. No. Don't buy in Ogun State, don't buy in Ondo State. Go and buy land in Enugu, buy land in Anambra, buy land in Abia. Develop Igbo land. Take your investment home. These people here, they don't like you. They would like to siphon you, scam you, and do what? Trash you. In the bin, you're buying land. After buying lands, you start paying land use. If you buy in the east, pay land use to eastern government. That state, that region will develop. Are you not listening to me? So let me tell you, I don't think I will say anything bad against Lagos state government. They are systematically revenging, paying back to Igbo man what actually transpired during last year election when the Igbo's came out en masse and voted against APC. So emotionally, they are using that tactics to pay the Igbo's back. My advice is, Igbo man, go home, buy land in the southeast, build houses there, bring investment to Abia, where we have 24 hours lights. Go to Parakat, buy land, go to Uyo, Calabar, buy land, live southwest. There is Bayelsa there. Bayelsa is still untapped, undeveloped. If you look at the level of Bayelsa state's development is on the list, on the bottom table. No area of that state has been touched in terms of social infrastructural amenities. So you should go to Bayelsa, buy land, build industries, build production industries. They needed development in Bayelsa. Leave Lagos alone. Lagos has developed. You are just putting yourself into more trouble, buying land in Ondo, in Ekiti, in Ogun State, at Ibejileki, at Egbeda. The more you do that, the more hate and the abhorrence you receive from the people of this land.
But do you not think that the Lagos government should be losing out in terms of generating taxes and from the Igbo's?
If Igbo's left here for East, Lagos state government, they will lose much money, and that serves them good, because when they are here, Lagos state government don't appreciate them. They extort from them. Most of their agents, go to those Igbo's, unsuspicious Igbo's, lure them into buying lands on a place mapped for future development, or government agencies to be situated there. Are you listening to me? So that's why if Igbo goes, I think Lagos will feel it, the absence of Igbo man. And I think that is good for Sanwo-Olu and cohort. It might not happen now, it might happen another time. But Igbo should start thinking home going, invest in Igbo land, leave Lagos alone.
Well, I'm not sure they really care, because so as long as they keep on winning elections, I'm not sure they really care of the Igbo's relocating back to the east.